Claude AI is a powerful and sophisticated AI assistant developed by Anthropic, a company that competes with OpenAI and other AI model providers. Unlike ChatGPT, Claude AI operates on its own family of Claude models, each designed for different levels of complexity and efficiency. Getting started with Claude AI is simple. By visiting the website, users can create an account and instantly access the platform. Available as a chatbot on the web, iOS and Android apps, Claude provides flexibility for users who want to engage with AI-powered assistants from anywhere. The interface is designed to be clean and minimal, allowing users to jump straight into conversations with Claude without distractions. Through text-based prompts, users can ask Claude for assistance with various tasks, and the model responds in real time. Unlike many other AI assistants, Claude is equipped to analyze uploaded documents, PDFs, and even images, making it an ideal choice for those who require a comprehensive research tool. In this video, we will give you some very practical examples on how to use the interface. Understanding the pricing structure of Claude AI is essential for determining the right plan. The platform offers 3 main pricing tiers to accommodate different user needs. The free plan provides access to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the most advanced model available to free users. This option allows for interactions with the chatbot and document analysis, though there are certain limitations in terms of how much can be processed before usage is restricted. For those seeking more advanced features, the Claude Pro plan is available for $20 per month. This plan grants access to Claude 3 Opus, a model capable of handling more complex queries with enhanced reasoning capabilities. Pro users benefit from higher usage limits, faster response times, and priority features such as extended project management and file handling. For teams and organizations that require an AI-powered workflow, the Claude Team plan is available at $30 per user per month. This plan offers even higher usage limits, collaboration tools, and centralized billing, making it the ideal choice for businesses looking to integrate AI into their daily operations. Claude AI is powered by a range of models, each tailored for different tasks. Among these, Claude 3.5 Sonnet strikes a balance between intelligence and speed, making it suitable for general queries and high-throughput tasks. Claude 3 Opus stands out as the most powerful model, capable of handling complex problem-solving coding tasks and in-depth reasoning. Meanwhile, Claude 3.5 Haiku is the fastest and most lightweight model, designed for quick interactions that require immediate responses. Choosing the right model depends on the task at hand. Those working on creative projects or in-depth analysis may prefer Opus, while those needing a rapid conversational AI might find Haiku to be the best fit. Claude AI is not just a chatbot for general conversation and research. It is a powerful AI assistant capable of handling a wide range of tasks, including coding, image analysis, complex problem-solving, and data processing. Whether you are a developer, designer, researcher, or someone looking for an AI-powered tool to enhance productivity, Claude AI can streamline workflows and offer practical support across multiple domains. One of the most useful applications of Claude AI is generating code snippets based on a simple description. Users can describe the function or program they need, and Claude AI will provide a structured and efficient code snippet that meets those requirements. This can be incredibly useful for those who need quick solutions or templates for larger projects. Additionally, Claude AI can assist in debugging and troubleshooting errors, helping developers quickly identify and fix issues by analyzing error messages and providing step-by-step explanations. Beyond coding, Claude AI excels in image analysis and interpretation. While it does not generate images like some AI models, it can analyze existing images, scanned documents, and PDFs to extract meaningful information. This makes it a valuable tool for professionals who work with visual data. Users can upload an image and ask Claude to describe its content, identify patterns, or extract text. This feature is particularly useful for researchers, graphic designers, and businesses dealing with scanned documents or visual reports. Claude AI is also highly effective in solving complex problems that require logical reasoning, critical analysis, and advanced computation. It can assist with mathematical problems, scientific research, and even strategic decision-making. By analyzing structured and unstructured data, Claude can provide insights, create summaries, and offer recommendations based on deep pattern recognition and AI-driven analytics. For those working with data, Claude AI can assist in data processing and analysis by generating scripts for tasks such as data cleaning, visualization, and automation. Users can describe the data they are working with and the specific operations they need to perform, and Claude will generate an appropriate script to handle the task. This makes it a powerful asset for data scientists, analysts, and engineers looking to streamline repetitive tasks. Additionally, Claude AI is a great tool for document summarization and content generation. Whether summarizing lengthy reports, extracting key insights from research papers, or generating structured outlines for articles, Claude can process large volumes of text and provide concise, actionable takeaways. This is particularly helpful for professionals who need to sift through vast amounts of information efficiently. For businesses, Claude AI can optimize workflows by automating repetitive tasks and assisting in customer support. It can generate FAQs, draft responses to common inquiries, and even simulate interactions based on a business's existing customer service data. This allows companies to improve efficiency while maintaining high-quality communication with their customers. In addition to supporting technical and analytical tasks, Claude AI is an invaluable creative assistant. Writers and content creators can use it to brainstorm ideas, refine narratives, and develop engaging content. By providing structured prompts, users can get detailed responses that help refine their creative process, making it easier to produce high-quality content in a shorter time frame. By making complex tasks more accessible and efficient, Claude AI proves to be a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their productivity. Whether you are working on coding projects, analyzing images, processing data, solving intricate problems, or creating compelling content, Claude AI offers practical support that significantly improves workflow efficiency and project execution. When it comes to practical applications, Claude AI excels in multiple areas, particularly text-based tasks. Many users turn to Claude for writing assistance, where it can generate blog posts, business emails, or even fictional stories based on the provided input. For those who need to summarize lengthy documents, Claude can analyze large texts and extract key insights, making research more efficient. It is also a valuable tool for creative writing, capable of brainstorming ideas, generating poetry, or improving dialogue structure in narratives. Beyond writing, Claude AI is a strong research companion, capable of extracting structured information from articles, news reports, and transcripts, allowing users to quickly gather important details from multiple sources. For developers, Claude AI offers an array of technical capabilities. Whether generating code snippets from descriptions, debugging and fixing errors, or explaining complex programming concepts, Claude proves to be a useful resource for those in the tech industry. Since Claude 3 Opus has advanced reasoning capabilities, it is particularly effective for coding tasks, making it a great choice for software engineers. Additionally, technical writers can use Claude to produce documentation, API guides, or instructional material that requires clarity and detail. Beyond text-based assistance, Claude AI also supports vision-based capabilities, allowing users to analyze images, scan documents, and PDFs. Unlike AI models that generate images, Claude focuses on interpreting visual data, which is particularly useful for professionals who need to extract structured information from charts, handwritten notes, and official forms. Users can upload documents and request summaries, insights, or analysis, streamlining their workflow without needing to manually sift through large amounts of data. To make the most of Claude AI, there are several best practices to consider. Providing clear and specific prompts ensures more accurate responses. Instead of making a broad request, adding contextual information and defining the desired tone and style can improve output quality. Users looking to maintain a specific writing style can include sample texts and instruct Claude to replicate the tone and format. In addition, Claude's system prompts allow for customization, guiding AI behavior to align with the user's objectives. Those working on long-form research or content should place all background information at the beginning of the prompt so that Claude can generate well-informed responses with proper context. As a versatile and intelligent AI assistant, Claude AI stands out for its ability to process both text and visual content, making it a valuable tool for professionals researchers, and creatives. Its advanced reasoning capabilities allow for deeper analysis, while its intuitive interface ensures accessibility for users of all experience levels. Whether being used for writing, research, coding, or document analysis, Claude AI continues to push the boundaries of AI-driven assistance, offering a reliable and efficient way to enhance productivity. For those interested in exploring the potential of Claude AI, the first step is to sign up, engage with the platform, and experiment with its various features. Whether generating compelling articles, solving technical problems, or extracting insights from documents, Claude AI offers an advanced and flexible solution that adapts to a wide range of user needs. With continuous improvements and new model releases, the future of Claude AI is set to bring even more powerful capabilities, further solidifying its position as one of the most comprehensive AI assistants available today.